Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another video. So every morning I have to navigate a 4x1, a 4x4 or 2x4 course with a street car. See, this place looks like a 4x4 day. This is where I get my driving skills from. And aviation. So today I'm going to show you how my Friday is like. First navigate the 4x4 challenge, then head into town, do some work, and then come back home. Let's go, guys. So currently my bro is behind me and I just want to let him pass. Okay, there he goes. That's my bro. My bro's car is bigger than mine, so he's able to go faster on the rough road. But now we are coming into the tarmac. Let me see if I'm going to catch up with him. Let's see, guys. I'm sure I'm going to catch up. Man, the guy is gone. The guy is gone. There's no catching up with him. This matatu doing? He's overtaking at a bend. What? Oh man, guys, what's going on? I think we have an accident ahead. So you know what that means. We're going to be late. What's wrong with you guys, man? Like, you guys can't stay on one line. You have to overlap. See, guys are overlapping, others are overtaking. See, it's chaos everywhere, man, just because of an accident. What's up with Kenyans? Take your matatu. Ambush. Cut. So guys, we have decided to get out of that traffic and go back. I want to use the Kataka road, then go to Karen, now we can join Langata road, instead of being in traffic for 1 hour. So guys, that's Kataka road. This is Kataka road, and as you can see, not much traffic, so that was the right decision to make. That's the famous Kataka town. That's how it looks like. Just a small town. Typical Kenyan town. Ah, shit. Baki tuna keys.